Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal cookies following an easy guide. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper. A key step for moist cookies is to soak 1 cup of raisins in warm water for 15 minutes, then drain them well. Gather your main ingredients: 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 8 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry components: 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. In a stand mixer, cream 8 tablespoons of softened butter with 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing until just combined. With your dough ready, it's time to add the stars of the show. Gently fold in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, your plumped 1 cup of raisins, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Use a 3-tablespoon cookie scoop to create uniform 2-inch dough balls. Place them on your parchment-lined baking sheets and slightly flatten each one. Bake your cookies 1 sheet at a time for 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let your delicious oatmeal cookies rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes to firm up. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay soft for up to 5 days. If you desire a warm, gooey treat, simply reheat them in a toaster oven or regular oven for 2 to 3 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.